Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, on the street, shall we say, with this quick little intro. And if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I am from British Columbia, Canada, New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I'm 60 years old, and I am digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur online, and I have been for 2 years now. Now, the reason why I decided to become an online marketer is because work was kind of depleting these days, even though I am, shall we say, a student of life, a student of college life with a variety of jobs under my belt. But I remember the last job I had when I worked as direct marketing with my sister, I had a taste of that. So as the years went by and I was struggling quite a bit, I decided 2 years ago to get started to work online, and I have been ever since the past 2 years. And it's been a struggle with a lot of ups and downs, but wonderful new programs I was on, earned some income and lost some income. But you know what? 3.5 months ago, I started with Successful Solution Method, a wonderful digital marketing platform, as well as a task-based platform, educational platform, shall we say, created by our wonderful Amanda Rye, and she knows her stuff, I tell you. And so with this, continuing on my series of tips and strategies online marketing, I'm going to share a little bit about who is under her, who is under helping her keep the fires going with Successful Solution Method, which is 1,100 strong, and that is our success coaches. I want to talk about our success coaches in the next segment as I carry on to share about our group again, and how it's 5,000 strong, as well as talk a bit about the success coaches and what they do for us. So carry on to the next segment. Stay to the very end. It's a wonderful video. I have some information to share with you as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you haven't been here before. I have many more tips and strategies of online marketing and more, by the way, as well as click the bell button below for the notification of my next video that's coming up very soon too. And my lovely friends, let's carry on to the next segment. You will enjoy it, so stay to the end. I have more information to share with you as well. Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I am back, as you see me in my little window here. But I am doing something new because I want to say one thing. What's lovely about Successful Solution Method is this: you can enjoy it on your cell phone, and that's the beauty of Successful Solution Method. Now today, of course, the topic is I want to share about our success coaches, the people that are under Amanda Rye, the creator of Successful Solution Method. As you all know, is in business, as in movie stars, as in musical icons, they all have an entourage that help them, take care of them, as keep the, shall we say, the business runs smoothly, right? And that's what our success coaches are all about. Now I'm going to start with our group because I want to share one thing. Now in Successful Solution Method, we have 5.5 thousand. Excellent, right? I am so blown away that we have a beautiful group. Now, a success coach is amazing, but let me go on here. We're going to go to the admins. Now, I'm going to share with you, these are our success coaches, which is Anthony Buckner, Hanifa Brown, Kurt Worrell, Daryl Hannah, Paulette Colford Crawford. Now, I had a wonderful session with her because I am in the platinum level now of Successful Solution Method, and I was blown away. She is phenomenal. She knows her stuff. She knows her information, and that's what you want. You want to speak to somebody who's going to help you from square one when you get started with Successful Solution Method, and that's what a coach is all about. They know their stuff. They've been in the marketing field for a while, and then they can help you when their problem arises or you think you're not doing well, and they encourage you. They keep you going. They're amazing. And any question you ask, that's it. And of course, there's Amanda Rye, who is our creator. And this is Jessie Lynn Abel, a beautiful one of our newest success coaches, and one of an amazing one. She's young, she's bright, she's been in the marketing world for a while. She's smart. This girl is amazing. She helps, she guides, she gives every one of the members the help they need. It's amazing because they are behind the scenes. And Monica Abanasser, somebody I know who's in Canada here as well. She's another one of our newest success coaches, been around for a little while. She knows a lot. Most of these are techie too. They know the technical side to learn some things. So if you have some issues technically, or you're not quite sure something about Facebook, or they know. And so she's always there. And every time you are a part of this beautiful community, you get the help you need from a success coach, because they're there to guide you, to help you, to get you going further, to help you with any problems. And that's what Amanda is right. She has amassed these beautiful, beautiful success coaches that are going to help make Successful Solution Method run smoothly. Because right now we have 1,100 members and growing strong. Because between her as well as the success coaches, they help get Successful Solution Method running smoothly. Now let's go on to another thing I want to share with you, which is my back office. So I want to share my back office, my lovely friends, is this. Because let me go to this. Yeah. This is my back office as well. The reason why I'll go to the members area, because this is what happens when you go to Successful Solution Method. This is your back office. And as you can see, it's on my cell phone. It's beautiful. You can work on your cell phone. Well, how beautiful is that, right? Now I'm going to share with you to our start here, because that's where you go. You just go to start. Well, you go to the video first. But here, when you go to start here, you go through each step. That's what's simple about it. But I'm going to go to step 5. Meet a success coach. And here's what it says. Meet with a success coach. As a member of Successful Solution Method, you are eligible to meet with a personal success coach within your first 30 days, which is basically a 15-minute call where as a member, your success coach will help you get set up, answer common questions, and make sure you have the right game plan for day one. So they help you get started with the game plan. They are behind the scenes. They help with the sales. They keep the ball rolling, because it's all in things, even in business, you have your head and you have the people down below who are helping run the business smoothly. And that's what success coaches are. They help each member. You can send a message to one of our success coaches who's helped you along the way, and they're going to help you. I mean, you yourself can bring people in, but from then on, we have the privilege to get a success coach to help you out. Who does that? Most companies out there, you have a sponsor, you have instructions, you have basically training videos, but you don't have success coaches. That's the beauty of Successful Solution Method. We have success coaches that are going to help you and guide you, almost like mentors in their own right. We have Amanda, the head mentor, and we have the success coaches, or the other mentors that are going to really help you every day. Now, I don't see I have been in a few companies, guys, and I've never done that. They basically sponsored you in by a sponsor, and then after that, you were given your back office, you were given some training videos, guys. Sorry about that. Training videos, guys, and what else? Nada. You just had to learn and grow from the training videos. With Successful Solution Method, you get a 15-minute training with the Successful Solution Method with some help and understanding and more of a game plan, help you get started. They help you go through the steps, by the way. They help you go through each of these steps, which is kind of nice. They literally tell you to go to the back office, and they guide you through step 1, step 2, step 3, and they help you go through it. And you want this nice? This one here. This is our onboarding session, and this Kurt Royal, who is one of our newest success coaches, he does a training Friday mornings and Sunday mornings to help you even further, to help the newbies or help those of us who've been in the Successful Solution Method and have maybe missed some stuff, to help you get started even further, to help you learn some tips or strategies that you have forgotten to do. And that's the beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. Where else do you have coaches under the person who owns the company helping you and guide you? And then they're there for you. You send them a message, they get back to you. And I mean, sometimes they may not got back to you right away, but they get back to you. That's what the beauty of success coaches are as Successful Solution Method. Now I'm going to go also show you, we have a Telegram, our Telegram here. The reason why I'm sharing you with the Telegram is because they also monitor 651 members. Awesome, right? And this is our Telegram. These are everybody. There's 651 members on here. Not everyone goes on there, but we interact, we engage on here. And that's what's beautiful. And of course, the success coaches are also people, also the ones who monitor this to make sure that the chat runs smoothly as well. So it's like a oiled machine. As long as the gear parts are running well, the whole machine will run well. And that's the part of successful solution method, my lovely friends. That's the beauty of successful solution methods. Okay, I want to get back to the page because I love this page. Let's go back to the... Oh, let me go back to the page again. That's me. There. They're back to the page, a successful solution method. Because these beautiful people here... run this group as well. Okay, I'm sorry about the snake here. They run this group as well, like a well-oiled machine. They make sure that it's run well. They monitor, they make sure, and they guide us to make sure we are the ones that go through this page and we do the job well. And that's what's beautiful about successful. That sets us apart from all other companies, because the coaches... We have Amanda Rye, the leader, the mentor, the one who created it. And then she has some beautiful success coaches underneath her, helping her run the company even better. Well-oiled machine, shall we say. And that's the beauty of successful solution method. This is the beautiful part of this company. The success coaches that help you, that guide you, and you run into any problems, they help you. Even when she does some of her webinars and there's an issue, she goes to one of the success coaches and say everything's going okay, running smoothly. And that's the beautiful part of having success coaches. And I can come into this company, get started, get a session with a success coach, and then if I have so many issues, talk to another success coach, and it's hands-on. That's what you want to be a part of a company. So I wanted to share that with you today on my tips and strategies online marketing, because you know what? With successful solution method, you're going to win. You're going to be a winner because we have winners. We have successful solution method success coach winners. And we all earn together, and we all learn together, and we earn together as a team, as one, because when you work well together as one, otherwise, as Amanda always says, and you know the saying, teamwork makes the dream work. And that's what it's all about here on Successful Solution Method. So I hope you enjoyed my share today, because I was doing something a little different. And don't forget, like I said in the intro, love and comment on my video, as well as subscribe to my channel. I have many more videos of tips and strategies online marketing as well. Oops, sorry guys, I'll go back to the beginning. I want to make sure I do that. Tips and strategies online marketing as well. Plus, don't forget to click on the bell below, because when you get a notification of my next video too. Plus, remember this, my lovely friends, when you be part of a company, a community that's going to help you, guide you with people underneath the leader and the creator, what happens? You have a well-oiled machine. You have a community that works together as one. And teamwork makes the dream work. It's amazing. And that's what sets Successful Solution apart. Because we work together, we engage together, and we help one another together. Even the members are helping one another. So it's a beautiful, beautiful community. And I wanted to share that with you today, my lovely friends. So I also have left down below in the description the beautiful part of the Successful Solution Method, the link. Click on the link, be a part of this beautiful community, as well as click on the link for the Facebook group down below and get on this Facebook group and really learn and grow and engage and learn about Successful Solution Method. And if you have any more information and you're curious and you want to meet me, I have my Facebook page down below as well, and the link down below the description as well. And I'd be gladly to share with you my thoughts and my ideas and the beauty of Successful Solution Method and anything else. Come visit me. Let's have a chat as well. So, my lovely friends, I hope this gave you some value, because I really did enjoy sharing this with you today. As I see, we have a lot of conversation going on in our chat group as well. My love to you all, my lovely successful entrepreneurs, you. And don't forget this. I'll see you on the other side to success. I love you all. Bye.